So today, like I said, we will perform an experiment, and it's going to be about purification of water sample by distillation. I think I remember you told me you're learning about water, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right? Adedayo, when
Yes,
you
sir.
speak, okay, good. Please, when you speak, you will have to speak louder now. It's heavily raining here. I might not hear you if you speak faintly. So you have to speak louder. Now, on the screen, I want you to read the instruction that we have there.
Pour the water sample in the conical flask and place the flask on top of the tripod.
So this is the sample water. You're going to pour it inside the conical flask. Okay, so pour in that. And place the flask on top of the tripod. I have the tripod here. So we place this. Next, read the next instruction, please.
Clamp the empty boiling tube inside the ice bath.
So we are asked to clamp the boiling tube. This is a boiling tube. It's more thicker than a test tube. So we place it in this ice bath. So here we have the ice bath. So we place the boiling tube in there. Next, can you read the next instruction, please?
Place the bung into the conical flask.
So this is the bung. Okay, we're going to place it into the conical flask. It has a delivery tube. Okay, have you seen that? Read.
Heat the bung.
Oh, sorry, we have to restart this experiment. And at the same time, I would also use opportunity to use my pointer for proper navigation. So we're starting the, okay. No, I wish to start again. I wish to start again. Sorry. So read the instruction now.
Pour the water sample in the conical flask and place the flask on top of the tripod.
Okay, this is a water sample. What is the name of this device?
Conical flask.
How about this?
Balls.
How about this?
Bunsen burner.
And this?
Tripod.
Good. So we're going to pour the water sample into the conical flask. Okay, done that. Then we take the conical flask containing the water on top of the gauze. Read again the other instruction. The second instruction.
Clamp the empty boiling tube inside the ice bath.
What is that? I mentioned the difference between boiling tube and a test tube. Can you tell me the difference?
Test tube is for I think testing like the experiment, and boiling tube is for boiling the liquid.
The boiling tube is more thicker than the test tube. Now the third instruction says place the bung in the conical flask. Okay, so can you see that? Right. Then we will heat. Read the instruction number 4.
Heat the water using the Bunsen burner until it boils, then reduce the heat so that the water boils gently.
Good. So we're heating this. Right. And heat the Bunsen burner using the heat the water using the Bunsen burner until it boils, then reduce the heat so that the water boils gently, right? So we are heating, okay, and the water. What's happening here? The vapor we distill, you will have vapor once the water start boiling. So the vapor will move up the delivery tube. Can you see this delivery tube?
Yes, sir.
So the vapor will pass through here, and when they get to this boiling tube, then it becomes liquid again. Okay, so that liquid water is the pure water in there. The liquid water is the pure water there. So we heated gently. We're going to turn off the lights now. And you can see the liquid are coming out. The vapor is coming out. And it's filling this part. Can you see? Can you see? Right.
Yes, sir.
Can you read the instruction, please? Next instruction, please.
Collect about 1 centimeter depth of water in this way, then stop heating.
So we asked to, collect 1 centimeter depth of water in this way and stop eating. So we stopped eating and we are done with the experiment. Now, they want you to arrange this. They want you to put the method in the correct order. It has been scattered. So I'm going to allow you to do that now. You don't tell me for you write the arrangement in your booklet. The topic heading is water purification. Okay.
I'm done.
All right. So tell me how you arrange this.
Number one is collect about 1 centimeter depth water in this way. Wait, no. Number one is pour the water sample in the conical flask and place the flask on top of the tripod.
All right. Okay. That
Number
has
two
been
is
done.
number two is clamp the empty boiling tube inside the ice bath.
Can you read that again, please?
Clamp the empty boiling tube inside the ice bath.
That's 5 for 2, right?
Yes, sir.
You are
Number
right.
three is place the bung into the conical flask.
That's 4 for 3. That's right.
And then number five is number four, and number four is number five.
Okay. That's it. So we have purified water, and what we did that way is distillation to help us purify water. Did you learn about water purification in school?
Yes, sir.
Did you learn distillation method?
No, sir, but it was on the homework, but we've not done a lot.
Or you were given a homework?
Yes, sir, but we've not done it in class and we've not covered it a lot.
Okay, you've not really covered a lot. Okay. So what was the homework on that part? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What's the homework?
It was about mm, it was about solids, liquids, and gases, and then it started asking about distillation.
They started asking about the solution. Do you say solution?
Distillation, but it did also ask about mixtures and solutions.
Okay. Mm, that's nice. So uh what is actually meant by mixtures of solution?
Mixtures is where the so mixtures is where something won't dissolve. So the thing that won't dissolve cannot be called a solute because it doesn't dissolve. The solutions the solute will dissolve into the solvent.
Between compound and mixture, which one is pure?
We haven't done that. When we said purification of water, we only really did if water is pure due to the particles.
Okay. Okay. All right, that's nice.